But I can't stress it enough that an impact driver is what you need. There we go. She's loosened up. There we go. Perfect. And now that we have our bolt out, the pads will simply fall out, but we need to separate the two hangers. The clips, there we go. Now you can see the piston here is way out. So we simply put the channel locks on and use a brake pad. And you might have to really squeeze. And we can push those pistons back in. Install our clips. The little pin that holds the pads. And simply slide it into the caliper and bolt it on. Or onto the disc, sorry, and bolt it on.